Now we are discussing about hand sanitizer production. Hand sanitizers are mostly using at present because COVID is coming, and naturally safety measures are increasing so much in hospitals and in houses also. Hand sanitizer is especially using so many ways while entering the home itself, even the boss of the house also. Along with the other business on the list, this one has become a must. After the current situation of COVID-19, every person is using hand sanitizers immensely. Its demand is really high, as every person has more than one sanitizer. For example, one at home, one in the car, and one in the office. So, in home, in the car, and in office also, home hand sanitizers are extensively using. There are a lot of shops and supermarkets where it was out of stock too. Hence, you just need to learn how to make a sanitizer at home and start production. It would not take a lot of investment. You would just need the procedure, raw materials, and bottles for packing. Therefore, starting a small-scale sanitizer business can prove to be a good business idea for aspiring entrepreneurs. How do you make your own hand sanitizer? Jagdish Krupchandni, PhD professor of public health at New Mexico State University, shared this hand sanitizing formula. And his next point is his hand sanitizer formula combines 2 parts of isopropyl alcohol or ethanol, and 1 part is aloe vera gel, a few drops of clove, and eucalyptus, peppermint, or other essential oils. If you are making hand sanitizer at home, and Krupchandani says to adhere to these tips. So nowadays, so many home sanitizers are coming according to your choice. You can purchase, otherwise you can make yourself also. But the items and ingredients are same, like 2 parts of isopropyl alcohol or ethanol, and 1 part of aloe vera gel, a few drops of clove, eucalyptus, peppermint, or other essentials. These are the important things in home sanitizer making. And next point is make the hand sanitizer in a clean space. Wipe down countertops with a diluted bleach solution beforehand. Wash your hands thoroughly before making the hand sanitizer. To mix, you use a clean spoon and whisk. Wash these items thoroughly before using them. Make sure the alcohol used for the hand sanitizer is not diluted. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they are well blended. Don't touch the mixture with your hands until it is ready for use. This is the information regarding hand sanitizer production. So you can get these details manual. If you want to get a theoretical understanding to make a hand sanitizer means, so many YouTube videos will be available. Home hand sanitizers, different types of hand sanitizers will be available. You can see those and you can understand it also. But this is giving a basic understanding regarding hand sanitizer production. Wishing you all the best.